working with our Soline. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the spiral tip. So right now I have the spiral tip on. It is used for using with acne and with congestion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn on my Hydra. On my intensity, I'm going to turn it up just a little, and on my water, I'm actually going to turn it all the way down because I'm working with extractions now. So when you're doing an extraction, you're just going to have, again, a higher suction and a little less water so you can get in and do a twist. And if any of the solution comes out, you can just rub that into the pores. So this is going to pull out any type of blackheads. It will help pull out any congestion and add some salicylic if you have salicylic in your jar. Now you can also use this tip for acne clients. When you're working with an acne client, you want to turn down your suction because you don't want to have a lot of suction, on their acne. You don't want to break it open and spread it around. So I turned down my suction and I turned up my water. So if I had a salicylic in there, what you're going to do is do a nice light twist and then rub in the salicylic solution as you go along. Twist and then rub. Twist and then rub. So you can use this on all their acne points, like I said before, with a salicylic solution. Now after I treat her for acne and congestion, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to change my tip with her, and I am going to use an exfoliation tip. So she's a little sensitive, so I'm going to go in now with a gentle exfoliation tip, looks like this, and do an exfoliation with her. So I'm going to just keep everything where I have it, a low suction and water, and I'm just going to work in sections of the face. So I'm going to start on her forehead. I'm going to keep the skin tight, and I'm going to do a pass vertical, twist, and rub in solution. Twist and rub in solution. I'm going to turn up my water a little. Here we go again. So tight, pass, twist, and rub in. So once I do every area of her skin going vertical, I'm going to go back and do a horizontal pass as well. And again, this pass, twist, and rub in. Pass, twist, and rub in. Any problem areas you can go over again, extra. And you can also use your small tips to do the delicate areas like around the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So here on her cheek, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do a pass, twist, and rub in all the solutions. Now I would go back up vertical. can see how nice and pink she looks and how hydrated she is. So those are the 2 tips that I've used on her. Now when you're working with clients, you may go in again with a delicate tip and work under the eyes and the nose area. And you also may want to do a lymphatic drainage as well. So you can go in with a lymphatic drainage tip on a very low suction, minimum water. And when you're working with your lymphatic drainage tip, you'll just do passes, very light suction to behind the ear. So this is just going to drain any toxins, get it to the lymph node for it to be expelled from her body.